how to change Instagram name font. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font displayed for your name within your Instagram profile. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So Instagram allows us to change the font for our name and our bio, and this can allow for our profile to stand out a little bit. So to do this, we're going to be using a free website called texttrick.com. And once you get here, you can either use their fancy text generator, or you can select the 3 lines on the top right and select Instagram fonts. And then when you get here, all you need to do is type in here, and I'm just going to type my username. Once you start typing, you can scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that are available. If you want to preview what it will look like on Instagram, you can simply select preview and it'll bring you to a quick preview for your bio. But go ahead and scroll through all these different fonts that are available. I'm just going to do this dragon script right here. Once I'm ready, I'll select copy. And then when I go back to Instagram, all I need to do is select edit profile, go to my name, select my name, and then clear out the text and paste the text from TextTrick. From there, select done, and then change name. Then as you can see, my name is now the new font. And if I go back to my profile and reload it, the new font is displayed on my Instagram profile. That's how you change your Instagram name font. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.